Let me take you on a quick tour of your account. Here in the My Mailouts tab is where we create and send mailouts. We could go ahead and create one right now. I'll choose the shadow template, and in the Edit Mailout screen, I'll give my mailout a subject line. We'll just call this one Test for now. And I'll quickly add a new article. Okay, now I can preview what my mailout looks like. As you can see, in the header area, we just have text heading, and the colors and fonts are just gray. Let's configure the look of our template so it looks a little bit more attractive. We'll close the preview, and we'll go to the Configure tab. Here, we'll go to the Colors and Fonts icon, and you can see that we can change these things. We can change the font family. Let's change it to Verdana. And we can also change the palette. If we go here, we have a number of colors in the palette already. We could get more colors by going to this feature here and selecting the color that we'd like. To cycle through these colors and have them applied to your template, we click the shake icon. Each time we do this, it'll give us a preview of what our color scheme could look like. Here's one that I like, so I'm going to click Save Changes. Now, I'd like to add a header graphic to the top of the newsletter. To do that, I'll click on the header logo icon. Click Browse, and select my graphic. I'll give it a description and choose No Resizing. In general, you'll want your header graphic to be about 600 pixels wide. Here's a preview of my header graphic. Looks good. I'll click back. Now let's go back to our My Mailouts tab. Here's that mailout that we created earlier. When I click the Preview HTML icon, we can see that our template now has a header graphic and the new color scheme. If you want to change other mailing list settings, for example, your mailing address or the website that shows in the footer, we can do that again in the Configure tab. Just click Mailing List Setup. Here you can change the name of the list, who the mailout will be from, what email address the mailout will be from, your web address, and down here you can also change your mailing address. To save your changes, you click OK.